a comfortable ride in a go-anywhere vehicle. This four-door, six-passenger truck offers the latest in technological innovation and style.
It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Sharp character lines combine with a wide stance to create an aggressive yet elegant shape.
Top features include air conditioning, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, and cruise control.
Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. The StabiliTrak electronic stability control system is one of the advanced technologies developed to help detect and minimize skids.
The 2013 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Well-equipped and fully capable, this truck stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value.